Today is June the 21st, 2024, and they're doing some road work on Peace Church Road down near where it comes into Rifle Range Road right now. And what they're doing, I think they're putting an extra curb on the right-of-way, almost like a bicycle lane or something. But anyway, that's what they've been doing today. I've had several people ask me to go down there and take a look, so this is it. And they are busy down there today, and of course I got through traffic pretty quickly. They don't hold you up too long. Little inconvenience to get all those potholes fixed on Peace Church Road. They've got quite a lot done all the way down both sides today, I guess. This is the first time I've been down that way for a while because of the closure on Rifle Range. This is looking back towards the Emerald Mountain store. Just kind of going backwards here to get a little different view, to show the construction a little bit better, get a little different perspective. You can see they're down there working, paving that extra lane. It's been a hot one today. I can see them huddled under the tree over there in the shade. Don't blame them. It'll be nice when they get it all done, all this construction all over our area. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.